Is it that big?
It's at least that big, if not bigger. This AI is changing everything. You know, you compare it to the internet, could it possibly be bigger than the internet? One thing for sure, not too long ago, there was a lot of talk about AI bubble and, you know, are we in the ninth inning of AI?
Yeah.
There's so much about AI that we don't even know yet. We're scratching the surface on a lot of this. Now, are some people going to overbuild? Are some people going to get out over their skis? Yes. But if you're asking for a company like nvidia that makes the chips that AI runs on, do they still have runway? At $4.5 trillion, does nvidia still have runway? Absolutely.